Hello, this is me, ALIRAZA. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional, as well as an owner of a Google Party company. And today I'm here with a new question. So let's get started on the question I have today. And the question is it a good idea to launch Google Ad search campaigns for targeting competitors' brand name? I know that that may sound to be very interesting, and I have seen people who idolizes or who get inspired. I was someone searching for iPhone, and when someone saw the ad of Samsung, they like, yeah, what a perfect marketing strategy it is, like targeting competitor brand names. Okay, in my opinion, it's a completely failed practice. It's a zero valuable practice. I do not recommend at all to run a Google Ad search campaign strategy where you are targeting your competitor's brand name. Okay, why you may be on shocking, or like why you are saying it. So the reason which is why I'm saying it, it's very simple and clear. You need to understand the intent behind every query someone is searching on Google. So when you are targeting on competitor's name, it is a very less likely chance that they are going to look for you. Okay, let's say if you are going to buy Samsung iPhone and you have your money in your wallet and you're going to buy it, what it's a very less likely chance that you are going to inspired with an iPhone ad, or vice versa. Similarly, someone is searching for iPhone, want to buy iPhone, and saw in a Samsung ad. Okay, that may be benefit. So we have tried running for various competitors, and it's a perfect failure. But in which scenarios it could be a successful, I will also tell you. In the scenarios where it could be successful to, or it may be acceptable to run a search campaign targeting your competitive brand name or queries, is when you are doing branding. Now branding is something different. Branding is huge. Where your ultimate goal is not to get direct sales or conversions, where your ultimate goal is to get your brand in a TOM, top of the mind, when someone is searching for a particular query. What Apple is trying to do is, when someone searches for a mobile, or when someone thinks about a mobile, iPhone should be in their mind. And what Samsung is doing, Samsung is also doing the similar formula, is that when someone searches for or thinks about a mobile phone, Samsung should come in their mind, and that is a TM, top of the mind strategy. Or for instance, someone searches for pizza and Pizza Hut is coming in their mind, that is a TM. Whenever someone searches for a brand relevant and a brand name comes to instead of the product in their mind, that is a branding strategy. Now, to win that strategy, to win TOM, top of the mind strategy, it is a good idea to target on competitors' brand name, because that will not result in immediate sales or not result in increase in conversions, but they will help in branding purposes. So branding is a separate thing. Now for branding aspects, that could be a very good strategy, but branding requires a lot of patience and huge budget. So it's usually national level companies, or companies with huge marketing budgets. For them, it's a good idea to target on competitors' brand name, where you have millions of dollars. I'm repeating, millions of dollars to spend, where your ultimate goal is a branding. That on that scenario, the targeting on competitor name, brand name can be a good strategy. Otherwise, it's a complete failure, and you may not get good results. So I hope this answers your question, query on is it a good idea to launch Google Ad search campaign for targeting competitors' brand name. So in case if you like it, make sure to like and share this video. And guys, in case if you're looking for a professional help in Google Ads campaign management, setup, audit, or service, me and my team can help you. All you have to do is to click on one of the link in the description to get started working with us, and we will help you to make sure to so that you can get an amazing running Google Ads campaign like a top notch, like a professional. So me and my team can help you. Even we can help you in audit and marketing management as well. So guys, and in case if you like my channel, make sure to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon, so that whenever I create a new video, you guys get a notification. Once again, thank you for watching. Take care and bye bye.